JOB, stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. G Groups Incorporated sitting at 25 cents and is like 28% up or something like that. I mean, it's that, you know, I'm talking, it's something like that. Like, I cannot see the number here for F's sake. But yeah, like, the crazy part about this is like, it was like a random pump, and I'm not even exaggerating, but I've seen this happen thousands of times. I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars in course mentorships and documented everything. With JOB specifically, 99.80% of the time, the price just keeps going down and just like reaches its low point. And again, like, it's just statistics, man. Like, you can go and watch my videos. You can just take my word for it, you know, like, but I don't have high hopes for this. Although you like pump for like a day, it will only be like something that I'll really long, like for like weeks or days when it starts to really pick up. But other than that, this is how JOB stock or G Group stock looks like for me right now. If you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.